The content of this video is related to automation. Specifically here is schedule. So what is automation in Blynk? Automation, condition to action sets allowing devices to complete tasks without user interaction. The following is some information you should know in advance. Automations allow the end user of your app to create scenarios where the device automatically performs one or more actions based on a condition. A manufacturer or developer defines which parameters of the device can be automated by end customers. There is information about the types of conditions here, but in this video, we will demo about schedule. Schedule triggers an event based on the current date, time reaching a particular set of date, time values, all relative to a specified time zone. And here is the information about types of actions. You should know the following first two. One or more actions may be executed sequentially or simultaneously when a condition's requirement has been met. In this video, we will demo this and this. This is the starting code of this video, and this is the schematic of this video. In the starting code, first, here we define a macro. With the name of the macro is green LED pin. And the value of the macro is 18. Next, define another macro named green LED V pin. Its value is V0. You initialize a variable to hold the current value of the green LED status with the initial value of false, which means the state is off. Here, we assign the value received from Blynk to the green LED status variable. Then update the state of the green LED pin. In the setup function, we write more code to configure the green LED pin as output. Set the initial state for the pin. Now we upload the code to the board. We will create a schedule to turn on and off the green LED. This is the switch of the green LED. Before going to the Automations tab here, we click on Edit Dashboard. Click on the Data Streams tab. Here we see the data stream used for the green LED switch. You click here. Click on the Exposed to Automations tab. Here there are some automation types. I choose Switch. Below there are Condition and Action. Action. Allow users to change this data stream state using automations. We turn on the Action switch. Save. Save and apply. Now, you click on the Automations tab. You choose this. You click on Settings. You name the automation here. About the limit period, you could see it here. Here I set it to 1 second. Maybe here you don't need to choose like me. Cover for the automation, I choose this one. You can click here to set a particular set of date, time values. This field is the location for the time zone you want. You choose the time here. Here, you choose the device. In this device, there is a data stream that allows changing the value. The first action after this automation is triggered is to change the value of this data stream to 1, corresponding to the on state of the switch. After turning on the LED, we wait for a period of time. In the next action, we add a delay. Here I set it to 10 seconds. After waiting 10 seconds, in the next action, which is also the last action, we set the value for this data stream to 0, corresponding to the off state of this switch. I click on Save. First, the status of the LED and the switch are both off. When it reaches 13:57, the switch is turned on. Then after 10 seconds, the switch is turned off.